Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this relation or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. You just click on it here. It's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, so just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then just click here on accessibility here. Then you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Then just come here to show answer long price sign, and here can you select it in this list here. Can you select show answer long price sign in this list here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you are great. That's all. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.